What's up, campers? I'm Bailey and I'm here today to talk about sanitizing your RV tank. To begin flushing your black tank, you'll need to gather your supplies. For this process, we will need a sewer hose, rubber gloves, and a freshwater hose. And you'll also want a tank sanitizer for when the process is complete. Now that the sewer hose is connected, we will hook up the freshwater tank hose to the black tank flush. Now it's time to flush. If your coach does not have a black tank flush, you can follow the same process by using a hose inside of your toilet to flush your black tank. The goal here is to remove any unwanted waste from the black tank. We'll open the valves and allow the water to flow out. The flushing process of our black tank is complete. We will now disconnect the hoses and close our black tank valve. Finally, it's time to add the recommended amount of RV treatment back into your black tank. You will do so by adding the treatment through the toilet along with some fresh water to keep your tank fresh for your next trip. It is important to add an RV treatment back into the black tank to prevent odor and maintain cleanliness in your black tank. Thank you for watching. To learn more helpful tips and tricks, visit GentleRV.com.